What is Iran's jellyfish drone formation? It may have been the pattern a US F-15E pilot saw moments before his jet was shot down over Iran in April. And that detail is now raising fresh questions about how Iran may be using drones in combat. The pilot, who was later rescued by special forces, described the site before his F-15E Strike Eagle went down over Iran in April. Reuters reported that he recalled seeing a jellyfish-like formation of Iranian drones moments before the jet was shot down. That detail is why the phrase is exploding now, because it suggests this was not just random drone activity, but a pattern seen by someone inside the fight. CNN noted that officials are concerned because multiple drones moving together in formation would point to an alarming advance in Iran's drone capabilities. One drone warfare expert also flagged the same concern, because coordinated movement is harder than simple swarming. In other words, the story is not just that Iran used drones, it is that the drones may have been acting together in a way that changes the threat level. Two sources told CNN it was possible the jellyfish drone formation had helped Iran take down the F-15E Strike Eagle. That matters because the aircraft was an all-weather jet, built to keep flying in difficult conditions. If the formation played a role, it would point to a more advanced way of forcing down a U.S. fighter, and that is exactly what investigators are now trying to sort out. Google Trends in the U.S. shows search interest above 1,000, and the coverage is coming from a cluster of reports, including Reuters and CNN. Headline writers have framed it as an exclusive about a downed U.S. pilot seeing an Iranian drone swarm in a jellyfish formation. That is why people are clicking now. They want to know if this was a strange visual or evidence of a new drone tactic. The key takeaway is simple. This is not just a weird nickname. It is a reported drone formation seen by a U.S. pilot, now tied to a shootdown investigation and a wider warning about Iranian drone coordination. If officials confirm it mattered, this becomes a bigger story about how drones are changing air combat.